Well,
Coronavirus.
unfortunately, all I have is this hobo sack full of ammo. I raided a Walmart and I found a deserted RV and found a couple rounds on the ground. And so I've got a hobo sack of ammo. It's a good thing I've got my M47 Medusa.
Okay, so I don't think it's going to get quite that bad. It certainly hasn't yet. But we do have a real thing on our hands. There are a lot of people whose lives are going to be interrupted here. In order to slow down spread of the coronavirus, it makes sense to limit social interactions. Unfortunately, that means a lot of people are spending a lot of unplanned time at home, whether it's having school canceled, having hours cut at work, or simply having large-scale shutdowns of social events at a community level. That's happening in the US and it's happening around the world as well. So what is one to do with all this extra time? This isn't the, well, this is a bit of a banal solution, but one thing you can do is learn something new. Forgotten Weapons has more than 2,000 videos currently online, and I know most of you haven't watched all of them, and I bet there are some really cool hidden gems in that back catalog that you might not realize are in there. So I've been taking the last couple of days to actually categorize and organize a bunch of my old Forgotten Weapons content into a whole slew of playlists that are now visible and available through the YouTube channel page. I'll have a link directly to it in the description text below. And I've set them up in a whole bunch of different ways. So I've got a bunch that are by country, by nationality. I've got a bunch that are by mechanical type of gun, if you're looking for heavy machine guns or submachine guns or bolt-action rifles. I've got playlists of those. I've got some in there that I just thought would be kind of fun categories. I've got the good, the bad, and the ugly for guns that are particularly good, bad, and ugly, by my standard anyway. We've got a playlist for fancy embellished guns. I've got a playlist for bolt actions converted to semi-autos. I've got a big old playlist for prototype firearms. Let's see, we've got one for miniature guns. We've got one for cannon and artillery. A whole bunch of stuff. I'm pretty sure, hopefully, at least if you're watching this, there's something in one of those playlists that will appeal to you. So if you're looking for some way to kill some time that you have because you're stuck at home because of coronavirus, check out all the different playlists on Forgotten Weapons and learn something new. If you're still watching, I'll throw in a little cool teaser for you. Once I'm done getting all of those playlists set up, which I'm still doing as of the moment I film this, but it should be mostly done by the time you see it, I am going to turn a lot of my time to research for my next book, the next one I'm actually writing. The next book we have from Headstamp is on British bullpups, and we hope to launch our pre-sale for that within the next few weeks, maybe the next month or so. We have a few decisions still to make on things like how exactly we're going to do the printing, if we want to change anything from the French rifle book. But my own next book is on a bit of a different subject, so I'm going to be digging into a bunch of these books over the next coming weeks. Anyway, hopefully everyone stays safe. I wish you all the best of health, and thanks for watching.